what you've done.
So, who put it together?
Me and Tyler.
Tyler and you. And how long did it take?
59 minutes.
59 minutes. Okay. And what was the hardest part about doing it?
Nothing really, just the pieces were little, and we had to have some. I had to have some help so we could finish it in a quick time.
Did you need special tools or anything?
A screwdriver and some pliers.
Okay. And how is it powered?
Solar.
But how does the solar panel work?
Once the sun hits this panel right here, it immediately starts to move.
Okay. So if you had it outside, it would just move, would never stop, right?
When the sun's out.
Yeah. Okay. And what did you learn?
I learned that you have to be precise when you're making something like this, and always double check what you're doing.
Did it not work in the first time you put it together?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it didn't. What was wrong?
We had a bird that was stuck on one of the wheels, and it wouldn't move once it got in the light.
So how did you diagnose the problem?
We troubleshoot the problem, and then we figured out what error we had and corrected it.
What did you do though as part of the troubleshooting process?
They took some pliers and cut off the bird so the wheel could turn smooth.
But how did you find it? How did you find that particular problem? What was the thought process you went through?
First, we used computers to look up if there's any way that it's like a certain way us to do it. And then we went back through the manual to make sure we had everything. And we did everything that was precise. And then we looked on the robot and see if we left something that was supposed to be cut off. So
you kind of made a visual assessment.
And then they also went to the website.
And you also went to the website?
Okay. To do some troubleshooting.
Cool. Can you do that again for me, please? So, do you think this is something that other students would find valuable?
Yes, sir.
Do?
Why?
Why?
It's exciting to build, and I think people like building things.
Now, it's also, what did you guys learn about working together as a team? Because you all did it together, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but you were still part of the team. So what did you learn about working together as a team?
Well, when we were working together, at first, when we want to do it individually, it would be a lot of confusion, and it probably would took us individually to put it together. Probably took us a long time.
Okay.
And when me and David was working together, any piece that I couldn't understand or any information I couldn't understand, she'll help me out. And same thing with her, I'll help her out if she couldn't understand the piece either.
So what's that lesson then? What's the learning there?
We should always use teamwork.
Because
it makes what you're doing a lot easier, and it gets done quicker.
And you know, when I was in school, we had a saying that 1 + 1 = 3. You know what that means? It means that there are things you can do that I can't do, and things that I can do that you can't do, but together we can do things that either one of us will be able to do alone. So 1 + 1 is, so the sums, so the whole is greater than the sum of the parts.
You want to demonstrate it one more time for Mr. O'Connor? He's just coming in.